Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the verification code not received issue on Amazon. So if Amazon is not sending you the verification code by SMS or email, just follow these simple fixes. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable and working properly. If the connection seems weak, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and then try again. Next, turn airplane mode on for a few seconds and then turn it back off again by tapping on the airplane icon in your control center. After that, make sure you enter the correct phone number or email linked to your Amazon account. Next, check if the Amazon app needs an update. For that, you need to go to App Store, search for Amazon and tap on Update if it appears. If the issue still continues, try reinstalling the Amazon app. For that, you need to press and hold the Amazon app icon, tap on Remove app and then delete the app. You can later reinstall it from App Store and try requesting for a verification code again. If these fixes still don't help you, you can also restart your phone. Press and hold the power button and volume button together until the power slider appears. Slide to power off your phone, wait a few seconds and then turn it back on again. Lastly, the problem could be from Amazon server or security system. If there is maintenance or high traffic, verification codes may not be sent properly. So those were some easy ways to fix the verification code not received issue on Amazon. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.